Hi there, a very good morning and good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching me. This is Simply Stocks, and today in this Monday video, I discuss about, and normally that's what I discuss about charts. And today's move in Samvadna, basically Motherson International, Motherson Sumi, the reaction or the move today in this talk has been quite interesting, and that's why I bring to you a chart check here and a little bit of fundamentals that I'll discuss about the company. So this is a company that was listed way back in 2002, 2003, and has been doing exceptionally well in the auto ancillary space. 56,000 crore market cap. Currently, the stock price is around 80, 83 rupees, and the stock has not done that well over a 1 year period. So if you look at here, over a 1 year period, the stock has been moving sideways at best, although it has fallen from those 96 levels all the way to 63 and has moved up. So I'll discuss about the fundamentals in a bit, but first of all, a disclaimer. So this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position or any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. I'm not a member of NSE or BSE, and that I'm not an official portfolio advisor. These all will be my personal opinion, and any buying selling decision you take is purely on your discretion. So kindly do consult your financial advisor before taking any calls, and to the fullest extent of the law, I am not liable to any person or entity for the quality, accuracy, uh, and completeness and reliability or timeliness of the information provided in the you can say document or in this video at all. So kindly take that on note. The disclaimers apply everywhere, so this is purely for educational purposes. And yeah, so that's my call here about this video. Also, I would like you to support me on Patreon. Once you do that, help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and ink out answers in greater detail. The link will be also in the description. You can become a member on WhatsApp if you can email me, and or you can become a member on YouTube and you get all the benefits there. My portfolio, whatever changes I make in my portfolio, short term, long term calls, plus you can have one on one, you can say, queries answered by me on any market topic. So that's what you get in that membership. So coming back to Motherson Sumi, that was the erstwhile Motherson Sumi. Let's look at some of the fundamentals, and then we'll come back to the charts and what I feel about, you can say, the move and where it could be headed and why I like the charts, etc. Now, till the June quarters, the numbers were not that great. So in June of 2022, they had 17,600 crores of sales versus 16,100 in June of 21. And really, the numbers were not very special at all. Margins were 6%, 1,077 crores versus 8% in June of 21. So, June of 21, we had margins of 8%, whereas in June of you can say 22, the margins dipped to 6%. But since then, over the last two quarters, numbers have improved. 1,400 crores operating profit, so that was a jump quarter on quarter more than 30% in September 22, and in December the operating profit number was around 1560 crores of over a 20,000 crore sales number. So a good 25% jump in sales. Margins improved to 8% or remained stable at 8% versus 7% last year. So overall profits also increased. So 500 crores of net profit versus 378 crores. So numbers look quite strong. Balance sheet is quite decent, although there is debt on books, but not huge uh, compared to the reserves that the company has. And uh, the promoter entity in the, or the promoter, you can say, holding is around 68%. It has increased over the last year or so. FIIs is around 8%, 8.2%, has dipped a bit. and DIIs have increased stake in December. So overall, what it seems like that the stock is in strong hands, and now the stock is performing exceedingly well. So if we look at, you can say, the charts per se, let's look at a 3 month or a 6 months chart that would be give you a better understanding. So basically, it had heavy selling in October, November, September to November of 2022, and around 65 rupees or so. There was heavy amount of selling with high volume that took place in October of 22, and from there the stock made a bottom around 62 and moved up higher, and now we are seeing that the stock, after hitting, you can say, 82, 83, had dipped a bit to 78, and now is coming back into fashion. What is happening is that after a lot of attempts for the 200 DMA to be captured, finally I think Motherson has been able to do that today at 83.20. So probably one can look to buy the stock. The 200 DMA is around 80, so this is a breakout from the 200 DMA that we are seeing. And somebody who's looking to buy, I think on a technical basis, on a short-term basis, can buy with a stop loss of 80 and a target of 92 to 95. Remember that over the last 1 year, the stock has touched a high of 96, so 95, 96 is a very you can say a very realistic target is around 95, 96 on the stock. So a good 15% upside possible in short term, 3 to 4 months in Motherson Sumi, and so this is my pick of the week for the chart, and I believe that if you can keep a stop loss of 80, a target of 95 is possible on it. So this is a video on Mother Sumi. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it, and kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.